Hi everyone, this is HackMates. My name is Sahnen and my teammate's name is Mariya. So in this hackathon, we chose the theme which was automated OMR evaluation and scoring system. So in this hackathon, we worked on solving a big problem which is faced at Inomatics research labs. They regularly conduct placement readiness assessments for students in data science and AIML, and each exam uses OMR sheets with 100 questions. The issue is that right now the evaluation is completely manual. Evaluators have to check thousands of sheets by hand, which is slow, error prone, and takes up a lot of resources. So, our idea was to build an automated OMI evaluation system. The app we created can scan OMI sheets captured with a phone camera, calculate per subject and total scores, support multiple versions of the exam, and generate results instantly through our web interface. This reduces the evaluation time from days to just a few minutes and makes the whole process more accurate and scalable. So in this video, I'll show you how our solution works. So to solve this problem, we proposed and built an automated OMI evaluation and scoring system with the following capabilities. So first, OMI sheets can be captured directly using a mobile phone camera. Then the system pre-processes the image to correct for rotation, skew, lightning, and perspective issues. After that, it detects the bubbles and evaluates whether they're marked or not, using OpenCV and even ML-based classifiers for ambiguous cases. Once the responses are extracted, they're matched against the answer key for that specific exam version. Finally, the system generates results, both subject-wise scores and total marks, and stores them in a structured format. So we built a web application where evaluators can easily upload OMR sheets, monitor progress, export results, and even review flagged sheets. Everything gets stored securely, including the rectified sheet images and JSON outputs. So there's always a proper audit trail. And the workflow is simple. Students can fill the OMR sheets. The sheets are then captured via mobile. Evaluators upload them on the web and then web app. And then the system automatically handles orientation, distortion, bubble detection, answer matching, scoring, and storage. At the end, evaluators can see student-wise and subject-wise summaries right on the dashboard or export everything as CSV or Excel. This way, we built a complete pipeline that reduces manual effort, minimizes errors, and gives results within minutes instead of days. So here in this app, we'll see our app name is OMI Evaluator. So we have to drop the OMI sheet images here. So we're just going to browse the files. We'll take a sample sheet which was provided to us. We'll open it and then we'll also choose an answer key which was also provided. This answer key which is in Excel SX format. Uh, just a preview of the OMR sheet will be given here. And then the evaluation results per subject wise will be given here. We can see Python, EDA, SQL, Power BI, and statistics. And there is also a total score here of 10. And then we can also download the results as a CSV file. And this detected bubbles overlay, we can see it has marked it with a green rectangle, but it only selects the detects the filled bubbles filled by the students, and then it evaluates the scores. So now we'll just go to a repository to see all the backend and front end code behind this app. Let's just go here. So in this we have the answer key where we kept the answer key sample which was provided to test our code, and then this is the backend code, OMR evaluation, where all the evaluation of the OMR sheet occurs. In this code, we have first pre-processing. First, we load the OMR sheet image and convert it to grayscale. And then we apply blur and thresholding to make the marked bubbles stand out clearly. And then second will be here perspective correction. Sometimes the sheet might be slightly tilted or photographed at an angle. So we detect the sheet's edges and correct the perspective to get a straight top-down view. And then third will be bubble detection. For each question, we check which bubble is filled. If multiple bubbles are filled or if it's unclear, we mark it as ambiguous. Then the answer key matching, we load the correct answers from an Excel file and compare them with the detected answers from the sheet. And then finally, there will be score answers. We calculate subject-wise scores and the total score for the student. And then there will be this evaluation function to evaluate the OMR sheet. And then here we are testing it with sample files. We have put the path of image 1 and the answer key here. And then if you go back here, we have the data with all the sample images which were provided to test our code. This is the front end of the app where we have imported all the necessary libraries for the front end, Streamlit, CSV2 for image processing and everything. We are processing the image, detecting bubbles, and displaying the results. Okay, and then these are the requirement file, which all the libraries which were required we have installed and taken from here. So this is it.